that you can do it amazing. Gradually, leisure activities have become less and less demanding, and most people have a variety of more or less energetic interests and hobbies. But now there is a new type of person who think that lie on the sofa watching television on Sunday afternoon or reading the newspaper. The cover is the most exciting activity they can manage.
Stop, please. Now, the translation of the text.
Mesela bunun adamların көп бос уақыты болған жоқ, өйткені барлығы тым көп жұмыс істейтін. 19 ғасырда Ұлыбританияда адамдарда бос уақыттар көп болды. Бірақ британиялықтар босаңсуды және ештеңе істеуді жиі көргендіктен олар футбол, регби және крикет ойнап тапты. Көгалдандыру.
That's enough. Your translation is very much good. Now, please. What is the meaning of the word free time? What's the meaning? Also, give a sentence. Give a sentence. What do you do at your free time? What do you do at your free time? What do you do?
I
work. What? I walk to the park. I go to the cinema, yes, on your free time. Now, the next word, relaxing, what is it? What is it, relaxing? What is the word, relaxing? Relax, what is it? Jimawu. That, relaxing, and the word gardening, what is it? Gardening. Gardening. Okay, what is it? Gardening. Do you know this word? Bahçe жұмысын жүргізу, gardening. Sit down, please. Bird watching. What is it? Bird watching. Rafael, sit still. Bird watching. What is it? A bird. What is it? Sparrow. Yeah? Now, have you any interests or hobbies? Theme of the lesson: traditions and customs in Kazakhstan. No. Now, look at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. Now, the first sentence. The first sentence. Done. What is our nationality? Now, who wants to answer the question? Who wants?
Kazakh.
Now, please. Our nationality. Our nationality is
Kazakh.
Kazakh. That's right. The next question. It is one of the symbols of Kazakhstan. Bayterik, that's right. Now the next question. It is one of the mineral resources of Kazakhstan. Mineral resources. What is it? Mineral resources. Mineral resources. What is it? Mineral resources. How do you think? Mineral resources. Do you know? Mineral resources. Now the next question. Famous Kazakh poet. Now please. Abay Kurambayev is the famous Kazakh poet. That's one. The next question, the fifth. The first Kazakh astronaut. Tokhtar? That's right. The first Kazakh astronaut is Tokhtar Orbakir. It is one of the symbols of Kazakhstan. It is one of the symbols of Kazakhstan. The first Bayterik, the next Yiltan. It is the largest sea in Kazakhstan. Largest sea. How do you speak? The new words of our lesson. Now we take the new words. Look at the blackboard. Listen to the music. Now repeat after me. Listen to the music. Now once more. Listen.
Musical genres.
Outstanding singer.
Outstanding singer.
A brilliant composer.
A brilliant composer.
Concert guy.
Concert guy.
Music lover.
Music lover.
World peace.
World peace.
Read music.
Read music.
Now, traditions and customs.
Traditions and customs.
Ethnic Kazakhs.
Ethnic Kazakhs.
Independent.
Independent.
Free.
Free.
Kımız. Kımızdı. Kolay atayabiliriz. Listen. Kız cool.
Kısku.
Catch the girl. The meaning.
Catch the girl.
Audraspak.
Horseback.
Wrestling on a horseback.
Wrestling on the horseback.
Wrestling on a horseback. The meaning of the word. Yani kumsalu.
Kumsalu.
Kumsalu değil. Kumslu kumsalu diye. Now,
Pick up.
now look at the blackboard. On the blackboard you can see Kazakh national instrument. Yes? What is it? Do you know?
Namra.
Dobra. The next. Kovos. Gives a sense, я не такой высокий, как Нуржан. Да. Нуржан сияқты мен ондай ұзын емеспін дегенді. Қалай айтар едім? I am not as tall as Nurjan. No, once more, repeat it. I am not tall as Nurjan. As Nurjan. As Nurjan. Now, you, please, мен концерты. Ислам сияқты кішкентай емеспін дегенді. I'm not as small as Islam. That's right. That's the next sentence. I'm the same age as Jane. Так. Не Jane сияқты жастамын. Jane'ның жасындамын дегенді. Так. You please. Stand up. Менің жасым, кіммен жасты? Әжәнбекпен жасты деймін. Мен де Әжәнбек сияқты жастамын деймін. Айтасыз. I'm the same age as Әжәнбек. Now, thank you. Sit down, please. Now, Aida, please. Music is science. That's right. Now, how do we call musician who takes part in performance competition between each other? Afghan. That's right. What kind of traditional music do you know which makes Kazakh heart speaks and shows their soul, sadness, or joy? Do you know the famous Kazakh traditional musicians in the 19th century?
I know.
Stop.
Stop.